Let's take a look at topic 5.4, solving radical equations, and this is example 1. We're going to solve for x. And again, we're going to continue to use our properties of equality like we always have when we are solving an equation. So my first step, remember you're trying to isolate x. So my first step here is I'm going to add the 1 to both sides. So that is going to leave me with the square root of x plus 5 equals 4. Now remember, to undo a square root, you would take the square of both sides. The index and the exponent cancel each other out. They are inverses of each other. So here, if this is a square root can be undone with a square. Now I'm left with x plus 5 equals 4 squared is 16. And I'll subtract 5 from both sides, and I get x equals 11. Let's do another. Let's look at b. Square root of x plus 2 equals 4. I'm going to subtract the 2 from both sides, and I have the square root of x. 4 minus 2 is 2. To clear the square root, I'm going to square both sides. And here we get x equals 2 squared is 4. Here are the triads. Again, I recommend you pause the video, jot these down, give them a try, and then come on back and see how you did. So on A, first step I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 3 from both sides. That leaves me with a square root of x minus 2 equals 5 minus 3 is 2. To undo the square root, I'm going to square both sides. I'm now left with x minus 2. 2 squared is 4. And now I would add the 2 to both sides. 4 plus 2 is 6. X equals 6. And now let's take a look at b. b is a cube root. So in order to undo the cube root, you're going to take the cube of both sides. I get x minus 1. 2 to the third power is 8. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I get x equals 9.